When it comes to the release dates of its S-series phones, Samsung has been quite reliable in recent years. Since 2019, the phones have been released no later than March 6th, with launch events taking place in January or February. Previously, the phones would arrive in the spring, as late as May 29th in the case of the Galaxy S3. Additionally, it was trending earlier. The Samsung Galaxy S24 was released on January 31st, and the S25 debuted on February 7th. Put another way, you would anticipate that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will be available for purchase around the middle of February, with an event held about 2 weeks prior to the actual release date. However, Samsung may have different ideas, especially if the allegations that it is discontinuing the Galaxy S26 Edge prove to be true. As the business struggles to restructure its phone range, it is reportedly going to have to postpone the introduction of the Galaxy S26 until March. According to a Korean outlet, Galaxy Unpacked is scheduled for February 25th, which corresponds with the phone's March release date. According to a different story, the Galaxy S26 range will be announced at the end of January, meaning it will launch in early February. According to an insider source from the Korean business publication Chosun Biz, it is feasible because the Galaxy S26 Edge would be abandoned in favor of the Plus model. The main question is whether Samsung will increase pricing in 2026, aside from the debut date. Starting at $1,299, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's MSRP increased to $1,419 for 512 GB of storage or $1,659 for 1 TB. Matching those of its predecessor. Prior to it, the 3 Ultra phones were priced at $1,199. That should be a sign that nothing will change for another year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.